Hola people, how are you guys doing today? So today I have a haul. Not a huge haul, a haul from many different brands. So I just kind of put them all in one video, let you see everything at once. A lot of these products you'll see in upcoming videos, such as a lot of black owned brand videos. I bought a little bit from a couple different ones. I have a Burts Bees unboxing, super random, I know, but I love Burts Bees lip products, and when I saw that I was like, ooh. So I got really excited about that. So okay, the other thing that I'm super excited about is I got my first Pat McGrath Mothership palette. Yes. So maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, Pat McGrath had a masterclass that was like $10-15, and the proceeds of the masterclass went to Black Lives Matters, which was amazing. And as part of you paying your $10 donation, you got to do a masterclass with her showcasing the Divine Rose 2, and you got to see all of her makeup artists that are backstage with her at Fashion Week and that are part of her brand, show all their tips and tricks to doing eyeshadow and their face and everything else, and it was just amazing. So you also got like a discount coupon. You got like 15% off of anything in the store. So that was awesome. So I went ahead and bought the Divine Rose 2 Mothership palette. Super excited because, again, like I said, it's my first one ever. I've always wanted to get it, and I was just like, it's a lot of money. It's a $125 eyeshadow palette. Yes, listen to me. Eyeshadow palette, $125, 10 shades. So hard to wrap your mind around that, right? When they have ColourPop palettes for like $15 and you get like 20 shades or 30 shades, you know what I mean? So you have to also remember that Pat McGrath is a luxury brand, and I can't lie, I have her foundation, which I got from influencer. I didn't pay for that, but that was a $68 foundation, and I love that foundation. I also have her concealer, which is my favorite concealer, Holy Grail concealer of all time. And I have her under eye blurring powder, which I have it in deep, but I actually use it as a face powder all over, and it just kind of just smooths out the surface of your skin, and it doesn't look powdery. I don't even spray my face afterward. That's how good it looks afterward, just airbrushed. So yeah, so I already did a first impressions on this palette. I'll link it up in the cards and down below, and I'm currently wearing it on my eyes right now. I'm doing a 3 looks 1 palette for this, so that should be coming up soon too, so keep a lookout for that. But yeah, so I got the Mothership palette, and I got the brown, what is this called? Okay, I got the Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil in Blitzed Brown, which is like a bronzy brown with like bronze and gold reflex in it. Super pretty. Again, I have more impressions on what those look like in swatches in the video, so you guys will be able to see that. So that was my first big purchase. Okay, what did I do after that? Okay, so after that, I participated in a live with Kinky Sweat, who's Alicia, my homegirl here on YouTube, Chelsea, Glam Girl Chelsea, another homegirl here on YouTube, their friend Kelsey Brianna J, who is like this amazing makeup artist, and they did a series, well, they've started a series called Behind the Beauty, and basically is every week, I want to say it's been every week, they've had someone who is either a makeup artist or in the makeup industry or in the beauty community, who is an insider who will explain like the ins and outs and, you know, what to expect from different things from behind the scenes that we don't normally get to know about or normally get that information from people. And then they did one with AJ Crimson, who is, everyone knows, like one of the world famous makeup artists, like right next up there with Pat McGrath. So they did a live with him. He was so amazing. Oh my goodness. He had so much knowledge that he was willing to share, so much advice that he wanted to give everyone. He was just dropping gems left and right. Take this, take this, take this, take this. You know, letting you know like the etiquette, what to expect, how to grind, all these different things. So we did a live with him. And then he told us that he was doing 2 master classes. So I, of course, signed up for those. It was $30, and it was through Friends Beauty. They were the one hosting it. So I did a master class with him, which was amazing. He showcased all his products and how you can use them. And then he did the second master class was on how to build your business, how to build your brand. And participating with the master class, you got a discount for Friends Beauty, and it was for anything on the site. And it was co-hosted by Sunday Riley's. He used all that Sunday Riley's skincare prep before he did his makeup, which is really good because I love Sunday Riley's. Me and my husband are both addicted to the Good Genes and to the Luna Night Oil. I purchased the, let's see, where is it? Okay, so I purchased the AJ Crimson Dual Skin Cream Foundation. I bought the refill because I just wanted to make sure that it was going to be the right size. And so the refill is $25, and it looks just like that. And these are all hand poured creams, so everyone's gonna look a little bit different, but this is what that is. So this is, I asked him, I DM'd him. That was the other thing, I was able to DM him and talk to him, and he was giving me like what he felt like my recommendation for my skin color foundation would be. He said he thought it would be a 4 all over, a 6 to do contour, and a 2 for highlight. So I bought the 4 from them. I also got the lipstick from him, the AJ lipstick in Subculture. Actually, I haven't even opened this. And I'll put prices of everything on the computer screen. Are you gonna open? I mean, this is so cute. It looks like a little bullet. How adorable is that? So, ooh, look at that. Just like a perfect nude. Oh, it has a smell. Kind of smells like cocoa. I wasn't expecting that, but awesome. So I will be doing something with that. I'll have a video for that because I have some other stuff from him that I got as well. From Friends, I also got something from Dynessa Myricks. I have been dying to, Dynessa Myricks is another person who's up there, one of the like top makeup artists from around the world. She does beautiful skin. Just, the picture, go on her Instagram and just see the pictures of everybody with their skin glowing and just everything just looks so hydrated and just luminous. I love her. So I have always wanted to try these color fixes from her. So I picked up the Color Fix foil the Color Fix foils liquid glitter, and these are for lip, cheek, and eyes. And this is in the shade Alien. And I'm telling you, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I took a little swatch before, and I'll insert a swatch here. It is just the most beautiful glittering. It has like a dual chrome shift to it as well. So that was awesome. I also picked up another palette and spatula, and I figured if I'm going to be using a lot of cream products from AJ and from Dynessa, because they all use cream, it would be good for me to put it on the spatula and keep it hygienic. So I did pick up a new set of that. I picked up a mini Z palette. I thought I picked up a bigger Z palette than this. For some reason I thought I picked up the 6-pan one, and this is the 3-pan. So it's not that big, but I'm gonna make it work. So I can fit 3 in there. That's okay, we'll make it work. I have something from a couple of different brands that I wanted to put in there, so we'll do that. So then I had bought from Sunday Riley the Power Couple Mini, which is the Good Genes lactic acid treatment, which I absolutely love, and then a Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil, and it's so good. We love these so much. So then you got Sunday Riley's with a gift with purchase. They also gave you lactic acid, Good Genes. You also got the Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil as well. And you got the CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. So I've never tried that one before. So I'm excited to try this. And this is the oil that AJ Crimson prepped his skin with. So I'm curious to do that in the video with his stuff to see how that goes. So that was cool. Then for AJ Crimson's website, I went and ordered the peach corrector. They didn't have that on Friends, and I couldn't find it anywhere else except for his website. So I went and purchased that. So these are what the full-size compacts look like. Just like this. And it's like a plastic, it's like a gunmetal color. Not like super luxe, but it is very pretty. And then it comes with a mirror and then the hand poured corrector. So I have the corrector in peach right here, and it's cream foundation 102 deep peach is what it is. So, and then it just has the information on the back. and it's cruelty-free and vegan friendly. I know there is beeswax in his product, so that's why he says vegan friendly, because we did ask about that. And he sent a nice little card, and it's signed by him. Oh, I thought it was adorable. So I love that. I'm so happy about this. I'm gonna keep this. So he was really cool, and he was really open to, if anyone ever needed to know what their shade was, to DM him a picture, and he'd be happy to like help you match what foundation would be best for you. So okay, that's what I got from his website. Then I saw on Marjani, I'm not sure how you say that, but they have a website that sells all black owned brands. So it could be like bath soaps, candles, all types of things. And they had makeup. So I was like, ooh, let me look through the makeup. So I was looking through the makeup, and I saw they have foundation samples, and they have foundation samples for a bunch of stuff, which was really cool. So, and the owner is Kimberly, what's her last name? I forget what her last name is. I'll put it up here and put her information up here, but she was really sweet too. She sent me a little handwritten note. I'm telling you, that's like awesome customer service. Plus she sent me an email, and Friends Beauty, both of them sent me an email before my order saying, hey, we have your order, we're putting this stuff, if you have any questions, contact us right away. I was like, okay, that's super cool. Like really nice customer service, because Sephora definitely don't do that. Okay, break the mold. We just know you're going to love your purchase. Don't forget to tag us in your boldest brown beauty moments. We love to share our digital stage with you. Use the hashtag break the mold of beautiful. P.S. Forget about every brand that forgot about you. We got you. You better go ahead, girl. That's so cute. So with this one, I went and got samples from a bunch of different brands. I purchased 2, 5, and 6 of AJ Crimson's foundation to try out with the other stuff. Then I have Dynessa Myricks, and I purchased 4 foundation samples. I have N7, W2, N6, and W5. So I have those to try out. And then I have one from Marlena Beaute and one from Hue Noir. So, and it's funny because I just saw Too Much Mouth Shanine. She just did one on Hue Noir. And I think she did Marlena Beaute. I think she did both of them. Or you know what? The Plastic Boy did Marlena Beaute. So I have, I think Marlena Beaute is in Caramel. And then the other one is in Marinovia. So I'll be doing probably a dedicated video on AJ Crimson, a dedicated video on Dynessa Myricks, because I ordered 2 more color fixes, because what is it, Morphe had her color fixes for 2 for $28, so I bought 2 more. And I'll do a black owned brands video with like a bunch of different ones that I have, like from Pat McGrath. I have some from Color Rain. I have some Juvia's Place, and I'll probably do that with the other ones as well. Then Sephora had this Sephora Favorites Clean Makeup Kit that just came out, and so I was super excited about that because I love clean makeup. I love to know that the ingredients you're putting on your face are not harmful. There's no toxins in it. But a lot of clean makeup is not made for people of color, right? They usually stop at like what, shade medium, and then that's about it. And I'm about a medium deep or tan, and hopefully, you know, you could try to make these things work. But if you're like darker than my complexion, it's usually just not, there's nothing there that you can use. So, you know, I want to test these clean beauty makeup kits out, but I also want to call them out like, hey, I should not be your darkest shade in anything, right? I am not dark. I am far from dark. Even right now with a tiny itty bitty little tan, I'm far from dark. Even when I'm my darkest, I'm far from dark. So yeah, they definitely need to do a shade range for some of these different things that come out. Ilia Beauty I have is one of my cute clean beauty brands. I absolutely love that foundation, and that goes pretty dark, and so does the Kosas. I haven't tried the Kosas yet, but they do go pretty dark. But I've seen some other ones that haven't been as great. But the two shining things of this are the Kosas lip balm. Everybody raves about that, and I was like, it's just freaking lip balm. Like, who cares? That lip balm is so good and so creamy, and your lips just feel so soft and luscious. Y'all, this is a good kit to get, to try out many different brands that are super expensive, but you know, gives you a chance. But I bought this Sephora kit. I also bought the Tower 28 Bronzino bronzer in Best Coast. This is so pigmented, but again, it's one of those things that On me, it's a bronzer, right? But if you go any darker than probably like an NC45 or NC50, this is not going to be a bronzer on you anymore. It's going to be more of like a highlight. The glow that you get from this and like the bronzy reddish color, like sunburn, not sun-kissed, sunburn look that you get from it, it's really nice, but it is red, so you just have to kind of be cautious with how you use it. Make sure you blend it in really well. But I also got a mini sample of the Ilia Liquid Light Serum Highlighter. Y'all, this is so good. The formula kind of reminds me of Dynessa Myricks Color Fix in that one that I just showed you. It kind of spreads out and has that glittery sensation and then dries down, and it kind of feels like that. But then I bought the mini of the Tarte C Hydro Sealer. Y'all, save your money. Don't buy this. That was that. Then I saw that there was a Burts Bees mystery box, and I was like, ooh, I love Burts Bees. So some of the stuff I've already given away because I was supposed to record this earlier, but it came with a lot of stuff. I'll put a picture right here that shows all the stuff it came with, but I'll just go through it quickly. So it came with 2 towelettes. So this one is the Burts Bees facial cleansing towelettes with cucumber and sage right here, and it comes with, this is a 10-pack right here. And then they have the exfoliating facial cleansing towelettes with peach and willow bark right here. And I really like this. This did a good job. I don't buy makeup wipes anymore. I have reusable makeup pads that I use. You can just wash them when you're finished. And I have the makeup eraser. I have 2 of those, so I just wash those. But I will use them because I do like them. I just am trying to reduce the amount of waste that I, put out. So don't really use makeup wipes too much, but I will use those. They gave us some masks as well. So there is a moisturizing lip mask with meadow foam seed and almond oils. They have a rejuvenating eye mask with rosehip seed extract and jojoba oil. And then they have a purifying sheet mask with kiwi extract, gently cleanses while moisturizes. It says 99% natural. Then there was like so many stacks of these. I think I had like 6 of these regular type of lip balms. This was a 2-pack, and I had like 6 more, I believe, that went with this as well. Like an orange, a vanilla, a chai tea, and then a couple of just like the cucumber, and a couple of like regular ones. So that was that. Then I have the colored ones, and I think I'm going to do a lip swatch video on these because I've always wanted to try these. I see Samantha Jane YT, she always does like these Burts Bees, and she raves about this. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. But this is a Burts Bees satin lipstick, and it's in the shade 524 Wine Wave right here. And I'll insert a swatch for you guys. And then we have these like crayons. So these are the gloss lip crayons. And this one is Outback Oasis 401. Okay, and then this is the Gloss Lip Crayon Santorini. Okay, this one is the Pink Lagoon one. And then they had a regular lip balm with the flavor crystals, and this one is in Red Raspberry. And then the last one I have is the Burts Bees Lip Shine, and this is in the color Peachy. And it's kind of like the ColourPop ones. So yeah, that is everything that I ordered that has arrived. Oh, I also got the new ColourPop foundation and concealer, and I'm actually doing a wear test on it right now. It's what I'm wearing currently, so that video will be here soon. I also got the Milani Peach, what is it called? The Morelli Fruit Fetish stuff, and a Ludicrous lip gloss. I'll insert those too so you can see that. And then I ordered some more stuff that's on its way. So I ordered and then Natasha Denona's website, y'all, she had up to 50% off of Glow products, and she had the Bloom palette and the tan palette for $33 each. Yes, $33 each, from $55 to $35. So you know that I bought it for $33 each. So yeah, so those two should be coming soon. You guys see those up in an upcoming video. But otherwise, that is all that I have for you all today. I hope you enjoyed looking at this haul that I had and seeing all the little things that we're going to be. And let me know what you're interested down below and see. Which video do you want me to do first? Do you want me to do Dynessa Myricks first, AJ Crimson? Do you want me to do the black owned brands first and put those to the side? Let me know what you guys are up to. Also, stay around. Subscribe. I would love if you subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Follow me on Instagram. Everything is Estiechica. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.